यस, हम करेंगे अब राजस्थान के अकॉर्डिंग 720 वर्ड्स 8 मिनट्स के अंदर 90 WPM की स्पीड से। ठीक है, यस, स्टार्ट। आई वॉन्टेड द वर्ल्ड टू सी दैट इंडिया डिड नॉट लैक फेथ in herself and that India has prepared to cooperate even with those with whom she had been fighting in the past, provided the basis of cooperation today was honorable, that it was a free basis, a basis which would lead to the good not only of ourselves but of the world also, full stop. That is to say, we would not deny the cooperations simply because in the past we had fought and thus carry on the trial or our past karma along with, full stop. We have to wash out the past with all its evil, full stop. I wanted, if I may say so, in all humility, to help in letting the world look at things in a slightly different perspective, or rather, try to see how vital questions could be approached and dealt with, full stop. We have seen too often in the arguments that go on in the assemblies of the world this bitter approach, this cursing of each other, this desire not in the least to understand the other but deliberately to understand the other and to make clever points, full stop. Next stanza. It may be satisfying performance for some of us on occasions to make clever points and be apologized by our people or by some other people, full stop. But in the state of the world today, it is a poor thing for any responsible person to do when we live on the verge of catastrophic wars, when national passions are roused, and when even a casually spoken word might make all the difference, full stop. Some people have thought that by our joining or continuing to remain in the Commonwealth of Nations, we are drafting away from our neighbor in Asia, or that it has become more difficult for us to cooperate with other great countries in the world, full stop. But I think it is easier for us to develop closer relations with other countries while we are in the Commonwealth than it might have been otherwise, full stop. This is rather a peculiar thing to say, full stop. I have given a great deal of thought to this matter, full stop. The Commonwealth does not come in the way of our cooperation and friendship with other countries, full stop. Ultimately, we shall have to decide, and ultimately, the decision will depend on our own strength, full stop. If we dissociate ourselves completely from the Commonwealth, then for the moment we are completely isolated, full stop. Next stanza. I think you will find that during this period of 2 years or less, India has gone up in the scale of nations, in its influence and in its prestige, full stop. It is a little difficult for me to tell you exactly what India has gone or has not done, full stop. It would be absurd for anyone to expect that India can become the cruiser for all cases in the world and bring forth results full stop. Even in cases that have borne fruit, it is not a thing to be proclaimed from the housetops full stop, but something which does not require any proclamation is the fact of India's prestige and influence in the world affairs full stop. Considering that she came on the scene as an independent nation only a year and a half or a little more ago, it is astonishing the part that India has played full stop. Next stanza. One more thing I should like to say full stop. Obviously, a declaration of this type or the resolution that I have planned before the House is not capable of amendment full stop. It is either accepted or rejected full stop. I am surprised to see that some honorable members have sent in notices of amendments full stop. Any treaty with any foreign power can be accepted or rejected full stop. It is a joint declaration of 8 countries and it cannot be amended in this house or in any house full stop. It can be accepted or rejected full stop. I would therefore beg to you to consider this business in all its aspects full stop. First of all, make sure that it is in conformity with our old pledges, that it does violence to none full stop. If it is provided to me that it does violence of any pledge that we have undertaken, that it limits India's freedom in any way, then I certainly shall be no party to it full stop. Secondly, you should see whether it does good to us and to the rest of the world full stop. I think there can be little doubt that it does us good full stop and over.